In our daily lives, we are often presented with decimals. We see it a lot. One great example is money. 2 places, tenths and hundredths. Another example is temperature, body temperature. I think it's 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And sometimes it's read 98 and 6/10 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, before we actually compare some decimals, I'd like to review the place value chart for decimals, just as a quick review. Remember, we read the decimal point as and. To the left, we have the ones place, the tens, and the hundreds. Notice they are ending in S's. These are your whole numbers. To the right, the first place to the right of the decimal point is tenths. Notice THS is the ending. 2 places would be hundredths. 3 places would be thousandths. 4 places to the right of the decimal point would be 10,000ths. And 5 places to the right of the decimal point would be 100,000ths. Now, keeping this chart in mind, I'm going to leave it up here just as a quick review, Let's look at this example. Now, there are different ways you can write decimals. You can write it in standard form, expanded form, and you can also write it in words. We're being asked to write, we are given the decimal 2 and 7/100ths. 2 and 7/100ths. We're being asked to write it in expanded form. So in expanded form, it would be 2. See if I got a pen that writes. I think I'm running out of ink. Let's try another one. I have another one up here. Okay. 2 plus, it would be, I'm going to put a 0 here for the ones place, 7/100ths. 2 plus 7/100ths is expanded form for the decimal 2 and 7/100ths. Now, in words, it would be 2 and, notice the decimal point is read as and, 7/100ths. And notice I added the THS. Let's try another one. Now, in this example, we're given the decimal in expanded form. We're asked to write it in the standard form and then write it in words. Well, the 3 is in the tenths place. So I'm going to put a 0 in front. 3. The 6 is in the hundredths place. So I'll put it here. Now notice the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is in the 10,000ths place. So I need a placeholder in the thousands. So I'm going to put a 0 in the thousands and then the 5 in the 10,000ths. So this is read, the standard form would be 0 and 3,605 10,000ths. In words, it's 3,000 Notice I said 3,000 605. Notice I'm writing this and reading it just like I would normally read a whole number. But it's a decimal. And then what I need to add is how many places is it to the right of the decimal? There are 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 10,000ths. 10-thousandths. And notice I added the THS. S to it. Okay? Let's try another one. I'll use a different color pen because I think I'm running out of ink on this one. Green's good. Okay. I'm given the words. I need to write it in standard form and in expanded form. In words, it's 21 and, remember, and decimal point, 4 thousandths. The standard form would be 21, and is for the decimal point, 4 thousandths. How many places do we need for thousandths? 3. So it would be 004. And in expanded form, it would be, the 2 is in the tens place, so it'll be 20 plus 1 plus, and this would be 4 thousandths in expanded form.